Welcome back to J Outdoors. This is part 2 and we are off to do an overnight. Are you excited? Got my body twizzle?
I'm excited, mate.
He's fucking excited for it. Excuse my language and my Australian accent. I've never been to Australia and I'm completely from the UK.
You're Ambanacta.
We're just buzzing to be out. So we're gonna see what we can do. Get a fire going, get some food on.
Yeah.
What else are we doing, bro?
The babies.
He's on, he wants a couple of beers, obviously.
Yeah.
Don't mind if I do. 1 or 2. Thank you, sir. This is Thomas, aka the Twizzle.
Voila. Chin chin.
Chin chin. Let's do it. Lots of hairy willow herb, as we already said, alongside the nettles. We're on our way to location. What time is it now, Twiz? Keep walking.
Yeah,
Don't stop.
21 minutes to wait, mate.
21 minutes to 8
93.
UK time. So we are off out
What's the
water.
Yeah, I can't even got my boots on.
Damn it. I'm testing these out here because I just got these the other day. I bought sound.
I'm not equipped for that. Probably ask for
Yeah, you've got the Timbs on, you have.
Yeah, but they're not, they're just the nice ones, they're not like,
They're the nice ones.
well yeah, you know what I mean, they're not the waterproof ones.
They're not the rugged ones.
Oh, honestly for that.
Okay, you've gone the wrong way. Or as we say in the leather trade, he's took the wrong one.
Well, mate.
Hey, we go. He's going all the way around now, look at that. Oh my days. The only thing that's short of is a few pike. Yeah. That's how you're not blending in, are you? Fuck. Blend in, I said. Inconspicuous, I said. No, to be fair, like a big white background. Looks like a skinwalker. Where's he gone, mate? Onwards and upwards, let's push on. Let's get these boots through a few more puddles. Nice. Oh, this is a test. Is it really a test for the Outbags? Is it a test? This is what we want. Not going to encounter much more than a neck high puddle really, unless you're really swamping it. Oh yeah, there is water over there, dude. I'd say that was 10 out of 10 for the Outbags on the little little water section. Let's go. He wants to buy some proper walking boots.
Last minute thing, wasn't it?
He's got the Timbs there, you know.
No, but
Nah, they're fucking, honestly, beetle crushers. Beetle crushers.
yeah.
You get yourself a pair of these, lad.
Huh?
Get
No,
yourself.
I'm gonna have to, mate.
Honestly, what are they? Outback Defenders.
Yeah.
Tabbing
Is
boots.
that what they are?
Yeah, British Army issue.
Yeah.
Right, honestly, they're about 180 quid, brand new.
Yeah.
I went on a website.
Well, they were 180 quid.
Brand new, I was going to buy them, brand new, I was going to buy them,
Yeah.
brand spanking new. And I thought, 180 quid.
No.
For me, that's quite heavy on a
Yeah,
pair of
yeah.
boots, like. But I thought, you know, I've bought boots in the past, and I just hate my feet getting wet.
Yeah.
And so I found a pair of these. They were doing them super grade,
Yeah.
which is like nearly new. Or grade 1 or something, honestly, they'd only been polished.
Yeah.
Some fucking cadets, mate, turned out after a week or something. Handed his boots in. And I tell you, mate, 40 quid.
Yeah, that's fine.
40 quid. I'm not even lying. I think the website was called Go Army as well. Yep. I like surplus stuff. Heavy duty.
Yeah, but it's still fucking rock solid stuff. Man.
Yeah, tactical. I like it.
Yeah.
It's some of it's heavy and that, but it's all. You can make little compartments and
Yeah.
everything's just like da-da-dum.
Yeah.
I like that's how I like stuff.
Yeah, man. Fucking solid.
Outback Defenders towing boot. If you're looking for a walking boot.
Yeah.
So far, I've had these out.
Yeah.
Good, mate.
You've had them a while, haven't you?
Good. Nah, I bought these the other month, you know.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh shit, you've got another pair of looks like that.
Yeah, I have. They're not this quality. Anyway, let's keep going. Still in this field, mate. I feel like Russell fucking Crowe. On Gladiator.
This is the fucking hot.
On our travels, we found a great dock, or a bear dock. Here are the bears for the bear dock, obviously from the drink, dandelion and burdock.
Yeah, that's it.
This is these, bro.
Yeah.
Here's the bears. Guess they probably got like a little choke in, maybe. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
It's not too prickly to handle.
Not.
You can see these.
Oh, right.
Proper bear dock one. Take some leaves. I think there's some more around the other side because I'm going to take some leaves because
Yeah.
I might just cook a sea bass on it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Let's do it. How many
Let's
sea
go.
bass you got?
2, bro.
Oh, yeah. Down.
Obviously, I forgot to mention that we used the root for the bear dock drink. What's this? Hogweed. These seeds will be edible soon. Well, I don't know actually if hogweed seeds are edible. I know you can eat the big new shoots.
Yeah.
Elder trees and everything. That's a big ass oak. I feel like I'm going to get the Pokemon Professor Oak right there. Go this way, mate. Let's go across the field. Got all the curious cows.
Quite cool though, actually.
They are cool, man. Look at them. You just don't want them running into you, dude.
No.
Up, up.
Wildlife, isn't it?
If you're a bit hungry, bro, look at them.
Yeah.
Go on, cows. Yeah, we're going over this. Going this way, dude.
Yeah, sound.
They literally stalked us the whole field.
Yeah.
Look. You get trampled by baby cows. Good cows. That one had me scared. There's one, dude. How you doing, mate?
Doing good.
Good, good. Nice log. You're fucking disgusting. I've only bloody brought out Homer Simpson. Let's do it. Let's get out, innit? Nice, nice, nice. It's very nice. Oh, there's another style over there.
No, they're cows, man. Is that where they were?
No, but I have been that way. There's another style. A different woodland. It's only a little cut out. It's nothing like this. Dun, dun, dun.
Chin chin.
Chin chin, mate. Chun chun. My big shiny head. Looking like a SOS out here. Every time the sun glistens off its head, that's a sense of rescue.
Get to the LZ, motherfucker.
Get to the LZ. Man down.
Chopper.
If he dies, he dies. He died of mosquitoes. Let's do it.
276.
There's the wood mine. Go through the little gap. Shit. It nearly had me as well as you.
Fucking eye peeled.
Keep your eyes fucking peeled.
Oh, listen to them.
Yeah, buzzing, aren't they?
I'm getting away from them, mate.
I wish I was
Just
up
load of random bark.
here in it. Good for the mushrooms, this will be in the winter.
I'm gonna get fucking
Zapped into that.
get back into the woodland, I think.
Get back into the wilderness, mate.
Where are we going?
Oh, I don't know. This way, that way, every way. I'm going up this way, I think. There's lots of dry wood I need. We need to make a fire. Dude, there's houses. As far as I know, there's houses over there.
Is there?
Yeah, but this is like some Blair Witch Project woods.
Yeah.
And
Here we are.
yeah, I don't think anyone's coming in here.
Nah, mate.
I've done a 5 in here though already.
Have you?
Yeah, when
in this spot?
yeah, on the end of part 1, I came in here with Dax.
Ah. When was that?
I didn't upload it.
Nah.
Wanted to make. Wanted to do an OV. So this is it. Where's he getting his hammock off? What you got there, Suez? What's up you've got? Oh, he's got the black 3 battery deep.
A fair bit on it, no?
Yeah, they are. This, what I've got there, this basher. Same price. It's a DD.
Yeah, yeah.
40 quid. Proper tack, they need a stuff sack for that. Let's see what the hammock is.
Where's the thing?
There you go.
Getting confused there 'cause it's fucking wrapping up, isn't it?
Yeah,
There we go.
that's the one. It's the boy. See where I'm going from either here. Oh! Lad, I thought you were going to spin over on that then.
Nah.
Oh, I bet everyone did, lad. Do you remember when you rapped over in it?
Yeah, I did.
Do you remember? You had
Yeah.
to spin you round.
From...
That was funny, that was.
That was dead funny.
That was proper funny.
Yeah, man. That's fucking foul.
Yeah, man. The camp is going up.
It is, man. It's looking good.
Yeah.
Mate, it's not even got dark, has it?
No, we're blessed with the light here. So it's good, man. So camp's going up. Twares are just pulling his tarp out. He's going to make 4 steaks for pegs, aren't you, dude?
Yeah, man.
Get your knife out and find some nice thumb width steaks. Steak that out. And hopefully I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah.
I'm just going to put my basher up there.
No, I can just use the sticks as pegs.
Yeah, use your sticks as pegs. Got your knife out, dude. We're away, aren't we?
Yeah, man.
Right, so we've got the camp set up.
Yeah, man. That looks safe.
Got the hammocks and the tarps. Twares, man. It was a proper night. Oh, is that oh no, that's your hang down bit. We'll tie that bit off there.
Yeah, that's fine.
We've had to trim Twares. He's freebie free. Yeah, we just need to tie that little flap off. Tie that off. We got any rope left? It's alright. I've got some bank line. We'll tie that to that tree. It'll keep it nice around.
Right. It's tight though, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Just got mine with the little.
Fucking hell, look at the size of mine compared to yours.
Oh no, I've halved mine. You see.
Have you?
Mine's actually mine's not as big as yours.
Nah.
Mine's on a 3x3.
Yeah.
I think mine's like a nearly 2 metre.
Yeah.
So we've tied his down at the back because the wind's coming from this way. So we're just there, so it's like a windshield.
Nicely covered there.
Yeah. Sound that, man.
Yeah.
That'll do us. I'm just going to tie this down. It's nice.
Yeah, I'll be cozy in there.
Yeah, you will. Tie that corner down and get on the wood, innit?
Yeah, man.
Get the wood, go and get some wood, mate, and then we can
Start the fire.
start to get a fire going. We can get some recording, we can record the fire starting, and then
Yeah, definitely.
we've got some scans and that maybe to cook. Keep these mozzies away, I've been bit once or twice. Right, let's do it then. Just gonna get some wood, Wes. All set up to be?
Nearly, man.
Nearly, aren't we?
Just want to fucking...
Got the hammocks and that in there.
Just want to keep it open and get this in.
Yeah, we're just gonna get our fire set up now. We've got,
Yeah, fab.
still got plenty of light.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
It's looking good.
Got the fire set up, haven't we, dude?
Yeah, they have.
Yeah. The tripod set up.
It's sizzling now, isn't it?
Where's he's also recording.
Yeah, it's just that sound the way I am.
Yeah, man. Trying to rob your light.
Chilling, that is.
Rob your light. Trying to rob your light, mate.
Rob your light,
Rob your light. Take
Rob light, Rob light.
Take it. See if I can get the camera somewhere nice. Sweet.
Yeah, man.
What do you reckon, dude?
I reckon it's good now.
So I'll get us some nice coals for cooking.
Yeah.
Cooking.
Fooding. For keeping. Gonna put my video off a sec.
Right.
I'm on 37% already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right, we need some light. Nice fire going and that.
Yeah, does it automatically?
Does it?
Yeah, because the light. Does the light automatically? Oh no, it doesn't.
We're trying to record it.
Oh, no, it does.
I think right.
Yeah,
Can't see the hammocks and stuff. I didn't even bring a torch with me, you know.
No, we're good because I got my phone anyway.
Yeah, you know. Tell you what I need to do. We need to get the scrans on.
Yeah.
We do need to get the scrans on.
Where's the beer?
Where is the beers? Have you got the beers?
I've got
There's
one
mine. No, I've got my bottle there. Dun dun dun. Right, let's get some scrans on. Get that fire blazing, get some hot coals. Join us in the mojo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We've got the tripod set up. What have we got in our pot there, Twiz? We've got some
We got some onion, we got some red pepper,
red pepper, chili, green chili pepper.
Jay's homemade Cajun spice.
Oh, that's going in a bit
It's
too.
going in a bit. We got some sea bass, a couple of sea bass at the ready, some coconut rice.
That'll be going on. Made a little spatula just to
Yeah, man.
little mixy mix.
Little homemade spatula, just give it a good old mixer.
See, let's take it. We got the hammock set up there. I haven't actually slept in my hammock. Well, I haven't tested it out yet. Pretty confident. Where's got his hammock under there?
Yep.
The tar.
What have I got?
Looking good.
My DD top 3x3 it is.
Yeah, man, looking good. Looking good.
Looking good, man. Sitting pretty.
Yeah. Got some sea bass, some coconut rice. We're going to get our grills out in a bit and pop them up on there. Just let that cool down a bit. Yeah, man, all in all overnight, do you know what? This spot has been
pretty dandy.
It's actually a really good spot, isn't it?
Peaceful, man.
We haven't been bothered. We've got 2 hammocks set up side by side there. Plenty of lineage.
Yeah, it's been decent, man.
Yeah, it's good, man.
Proper decent.
Few beers. Few beers. There's a few beers.
Been good.
Stella,
chin, man.
that unfiltered. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
This is what wild camping's about, innit, boys?
Yeah, man.
Let's get it done, man. Get out.
It's been a good night.
It's been good.
Good proper good night.
It's about 10 o'clock now, innit?
But it's like 20 past now.
20 past 10.
Oh, 25 past.
25 past 10. Still early.
Still pretty early.
Well, it's not really early, but it's not, I won't lie, it's not really late.
No.
Especially in the summer, we can still see the stuff through the clouds and
Yeah.
stuff, like the sky and stuff, so
Yeah.
we're going to wood forage, like, to be fair. I will show you around the hammocks and stuff. I'll tell you actually, because I am actually keen to get into mine. I ordered a softy, a Hawk Softy 9, or Snug Pack Softy 9 bag, right? I'm not even lying. I'm just so excited for it coming, and they got an email saying they haven't got it in stock. So reconsidered, and I'm probably going to get a Merlin. So I've got the DD Frontline tar hammock, and underneath my sleeping bag I've got it's an army roll mat, an actual genuine British Army one. It's just got a name on there, whoever that is. I've got your roll mat underneath, because I always like roll mats in hammocks. It keeps the winds off your back, and sometimes you don't really need a hammock quilt. And I'll tell you what, because my thing didn't come, this is a lightweight 15 quidder from Aldi, so I'm going to test this out tonight. It's only like a little summer bag. Honestly, the pack is tiny, it's tiny, but sometimes you just need something over you, to stay warm. So that's inside, and go and we'll get our dinner cooked, and we'll show you back.
Yeah, man. Peace out.
The bag hanging up.
Peace.
Right, we got the sea bass out. Across the fire.
A nice sea basket on the go there. On the embers.
Let's see what this is doing in here.
Jay's little pick and mix of spices and peppers.
And herbs.
Onions and herbs.
Hang on, bro.
Get the lid off. Oh, man. That's looking nice and juicy. That's on the way. Yeah. That nice little mix up.
Mix that with the rice.
Yeah.
Get that coconut rice in there.
Yeah, man.
Get these fish nice and done. What do you reckon, bro? Get that rice in.
Get the rice in. Mix it all up.
Do us a favour, can you rip that? Can't rip it with my teeth.
Yeah, of course. Oh shit, a bit just fell out, but don't worry. Bit of squeeze.
Two boys, chuck it in. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Well, it's good that this.
Veggies and stuff in there. Please.
Of course, man.
What's the cameras on that side? I'll hold it from this side. Okay.
I got it.
Let's sort this out fish also. These barbecue grills,
Sometime, yeah.
they
Stick.
The stick.
Yeah, this the skin sticks to it. I know.
No.
I know.
Oh lad.
And it doesn't matter. It is what, the skin's not the best bit anyway. I don't think you're supposed to eat the skin anyway.
Yeah, like the skin's full of fat, mate.
Yeah, it is, yeah, but...
I do like the skin.
Yeah, I do as well.
What? This is your one.
I don't mind.
Yeah, I've got your skin.
He's got it. It doesn't matter, man. It's nice and charred, that is.
Yeah.
He's
Ooh.
got it.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Little baby, that one.
Yeah, man, it's all come good anyway.
We need a spoons. We need a couple of spoons now. Stay there, bro. I'll go in there. I think I've got a spoon, you know. Hang on, if I got... Oh, I didn't bring me other bag.
Should have brought some forks with us.
No, we don't need that, lad.
No.
We're in the bush, man.
Proper bushcraft in this.
Right, let me just get some... Oh dear. Something green. This should come off in a minute, I reckon.
Yeah.
Everything is probably ready. I'll have to use this lid as a plate, dude.
That's fine.
It's hot.
Is that cooked, is it, the rice?
Oh, nice that, bro. Didn't even put my Cajuns to get my spices in there.
No.
Nice. Right, bro. Get you some rice out now and stuff.
Fine.
That's that minute. I need to go and find me bowl. Yes.
There we go. Serving up time. Good sea bass. Nice flaky flesh.
Oh,
Looks good.
it's a bit rustic, lad. But
A bit rusty, but man, it all adds to the flavour, doesn't it?
It's a bit naughty though at the same time.
Yeah. That's what it's all about.
You know what that is.
That's what it's all about, man.
Nothing's ever perfect in the wild though.
Nah, the matter as long as you're full.
Get in there.
That looks naughty.
Just burn them grills off. Some rice, dude.
Ricins and some Cajuns. There we go. On to a winner. Good rustic outdoor food.
Oh, it smells naughty, man.
Does smell good.
Smell all the spices and everything.
It's gonna be a good meal, that is. Before we hit the sack. Yeah, man.
I'll wash that on in a minute.
The chef's done good yet again. He's never failed.
Never fail.
Never failed, this lad. Not what the food is.
I'm gonna join you after this grand.
Adios.
Adios, amigos. Morning time. It's 7 o'clock. Successful camp. Some water boiling on the fire. Just having a quick clean up. And set off home, I think. All in all, successful camp. Job done. Job done. Till next time, guys. See you later.